Hello guys, today I'm reacting to this Trick G2 driver truck burst video. I don't know, but let's just react to this video. Dang bro, no! Damn. Bro, almost drifting skills. Bro, chill out, you're gonna crash. No, I didn't know this was like this. I didn't know. Wow, it almost crashed into leaves. Oh, the Mitsubishi one, so fast. Dang, they drifted. They drift. And then stop. Bro, that's impossible. Like you're drifting in mud. Nah. Okay, they're going forward, but still drifting because of the slippery, watery mud. They're riding a car too, and two people on the back. There's also a motorcycle right there. It almost slipped. Okay, the Mitsubishi and the people are going. Okay, another car. The Toyota car, the Toyota truck. Bro, the back is written Mazda. Dang, okay, now it's drifting. I mean, burn outing too. It's burn outing. Bro, I kinda like this. No, it's a fuel truck. It's a fuel tank truck. I hope it doesn't slip because that will literally explode, you guys. Then there's many fuel trucks too. And there's an excavator. Another one. There's three more fuel trucks. Oh gosh. No. Bro, this is very cool. Right now. Okay, the another one. And there's the other fuel truck. But the wheels are very dirty. I don't know why, because of the mud. It's very dirty. And there's a motorcycle. And there's a people. There's a guy walking. I don't know why. Okay. So real. Please confess. Oh no! You almost crashed! Damn! It literally almost crashed! It almost tipped over. Another one. Oh, that's the capture from the other guy. That was holding a cell phone. That truck almost tipped over. Oh my god! That's crazy. It's going. Another Mitsubishi truck. Oh no, this is a dump truck. It's a dump truck, and it's a Mitsubishi dump truck. Is it gonna slip? I mean the bro just did the phone up. Bro, oh my god. wet right now, guys. This dump truck is literally wet. And the wheels are so wet. And the rain is so fast that it's hitting the road right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, I hope there's more. Okay, there's another one. I think that is the truck that almost tipped over in the mud. Oh my gosh. It's a dump truck. It's sliding. And releasing smoke. It got stuck.
Tulong para alaga ang puso, resistensya, mata at buong
Advertise
katawan. Centrum Advance.
Hubstaff's easy-to-use mobile app is the perfect complement to our desktop and web time tracking features. The Hubstaff mobile app gives your team the power to track time.
Oh no! Those wheels are! There's also a car! A white car! Look, a white car is beside me! A murder! Look, a white car is beside me! Beside me! It's a truck! It's a Mitsubishi truck! Oh my... Berarti kemulit, oh my gosh. Okay, my picture. That's what my dad used to watch this. The freaking it's very loud too. It's very loud. Boys, imagine if I could bring it the real Histron Sito Murang channel. Both channel is wrong spelling. What? Oh no! What the heck? How many did you watch? Oh, Axel, Editing 53. Hold on, guys. I gotta talk to my dad. Okay, I gotta talk to my dad. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay. No, I'm back. Good. Alice literally got to prison. I'm hungry. I think that's gonna crash. I think that's gonna bangga means crash. It's almost gonna hit. I think it's not gonna hit. Yeah, I'm right, it's not gonna hit. There's people. Bro, the truck. Nah. I'd get a gun aim on my head. Just kidding. Oh no! No! It's gonna fall. It's gonna tip over. Just keep reversing until it gets straight in. Okay, boy, reversing. Oh my gosh. Even if I'm gonna talk to my dad. Okay, I gotta talk to my dad, okay? Just a little time. Okay, bye bye. I'm just kidding. I just gonna talk to my dad.
Edit ka na yun, no?
Okay, guys, I'm back, guys. Let's watch a little bit. Let's just reach 22. Okay. Oh my gosh, the truck got hold. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a part 2. Okay, bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Bro, where's the stuff? Bro, where's the record button? Oh, there it is. Click. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Man. Bro.